teacher. What, can? You want a can lesson? A can lesson? Yeah? Okay, we'll do a can lesson then. Yeah? To the classroom. Okay.
Hello and welcome to another short video lesson from Easy Steps English. My name is Dom and today we are looking at what we can and what we can't do. To start with, we'll look at making a can question. So, can you play football? Okay, you could say, yes, I can, or no, I cannot, or no, I can't. Can you play computer games? Yes, I can. No, I can't. So that's how we can form our questions and our yes and no answers. Now, for sentence structure, it's very easy. 3 steps. Step 1, the subject. We can choose anything to be the subject, whether it's I, you, he, she, it, they, we, the cat, the dog, the teacher. It could be anything for step 1, as long as it's a noun. Step 2, ta-da, can. Yeah. And number 3 is our bare infinitive. So the verb from its root form. Now, here are a selection of verbs that I will be using in a video montage. Okay, so as you can see, there are bake, sleep, watch, open, read, play, draw, sing or dance, dive and swim. Now, I will not do one of these things, so I would like you to see which one I do not do. So, I am about to go and do some things and show you what I can do. Let's go! Fresh. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. You're probably wondering, what was I drawing? Well, You'll find out in a minute. But can you tell which of the verbs I didn't use? If you want to know the answer to that, look in the description for the answer. Also, there are things that I can't do as well.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every